If you didn't already knew it, Notion is chock full of features to help you track your progress. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how you can create progress bars in Notion. Now, if you don't know already, Notion is chock full of features that you can use to up your productivity. Progress bars being one of them, and creating them is slightly complicated but simple nonetheless. So the first thing that we need for a progress bar is actually a database. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a database by pressing / and then I'll type in database, and we're going to select the inline database option. This will give me a database right here, as you can see on the screen. Now I'll just name it sample database. Now we can start creating a progress bar. But the first thing that we need is a numbers field. So just click this plus icon, and in here go ahead and select number in the type. Now, as you can see, we have certain settings in the numbers menu. So you can change the name of it, of course, and then you can change the number format, which can be anything from commas, percentages, US dollars, whatever you want to call it. I'll just call it number for now. And then, of course, you have your show as block, which includes either a bar or a ring. And you can go ahead and control the color of the bar, so I can have it red, and the divisions of the bar. So let's say you're tracking something that has 100 steps, and then as you keep entering numbers, the steps keep increasing. So I'll just set it divided by 100. I'll go ahead and that's my property done. So now if I enter a number, let's say 25 in here, you can see that I have a progress bar that is 25% full. So now that we know how to make a standard regular static progress bar in Notion, let's go ahead and take a look at making something that's slightly more useful. So this will be able to track the difference between two separate fields, for example. So I'm going to go ahead and rename this field to progress, and I'm going to edit this property to show me just the number. All right, great. Now I'm going to click this plus icon, and I'm going to add another number property. This will be my overall progress. So I'm just going to type it overall, make sure that it stays number only, and I'm going to type in the limit of this command. So let's say you're reading a book and the book is 1,000 pages long. So overall becomes 1,000, and progress becomes wherever your bookmark is or how far ahead you've read. So I'm just going to enter 1,000 here, and we're settled here. Now click on the plus sign again, and this time we're going to enter a formula. Search for it, type select formula. All right, now I'm going to name this progress bar. Shift it downstairs. All right, and then click on the edit formula button. Now we are going to select our progress property and divide it by the overall property. Click done. And now, as you can see, we already have our formula working. I can go ahead and show this as a progress bar or as a ring. I can even change the number format to read percent. So as you can see, 100 is 10% of 1000. And now I can go ahead and update this number, and my progress will automatically update. So let's say if I've read 600 pages, now it's at 60%. If I've read 583, then it's 58.3%. You can always go ahead, click the progress bar, and then click edit property to change how it appears. So you can make it into a ring, you can make it into a bar, or you can just have it read the number. You can always change the color of the bar, so it can be yellow, pink, blue, light gray if you're into that, orange. I just like red better. You can choose to show the number, and that's all there is to creating progress bars in Notion. It's very simple and can be really useful for specific use cases. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.